Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build machine learning APIs with Stripe, full guide step by step clearly. In this guide, we will explore how to build machine learning APIs with Stripe. Begin by setting up your development environment. Ensure you have Python installed on your machine. Next, install the necessary libraries using pip. These include Flask for creating the API and Stripe's Python library for payment integration. Create a new directory for your project and navigate into it. Now, initialize a new Python virtual environment. Activate the virtual environment to keep your dependencies organized. Within this environment, install Flask and the Stripe library. Once the libraries are installed, create a new file named app.py. In app.py, import the necessary libraries. Start by importing Flask and initializing your app instance. Next, set your Stripe secret API key. You can find this key in your Stripe dashboard under the Developers section. Define a function to handle incoming payment requests. This function will process the payment based on the provided parameters. Use Flask's route decorator to create an endpoint for the API. Define the endpoint to accept post requests. Within the function, extract the necessary data from the request. This includes the payment amount and the customer details. Now, use the Stripe library to create a payment intent. Handle any exceptions that may arise during the payment process. Return a relevant response based on the payment outcome. Test your API using a tool like Postman or curl. Make a sample payment request to validate your implementation. Check the logs for any errors and debug as necessary. Once everything works as intended, consider adding more features. You could integrate machine learning models to tailor payment recommendations. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.